Nagtapos na ang 4 na araw na pagbisita ng delegasyon ng Iranon Malaysia sa Bangsamoro Region. Pero sa kanilang pagbisita, nag-iwan ito ng maraming oportunidad sa larangan ng kalakalan at turismo at maging ang hindi makalimutang baliktanaw sa kultura at tradisyon ng mga Iranon, nasa Sabah man o nasa Bangsamoro Region. Nagbigay ito ng oportunidad sa mga sub-regions na mapalakas ang economic at trade cooperations tulad ng Bangsamoro Region, lalo na at nasa tugatog na ito na itapa mga energy resources at maihanda ang rehiyon sa larangan ng turismo at komersyo.
First of all, BETCON is a BIMYAGA Trade Convention 2023 is the first to be held in Brunei, which will be gathering about 1,000 delegations, over 300 vendors from this BIMYAGA region, and also it involved the development partners of BIMYAGA such as China, Korea, Japan, and Northern Territory of Australia and beyond. So the purpose of this BETCON is actually to promote trade, tourism, and investment among the BIMYAGA countries. So our presence here today is to promote this BETCON to BAM, and hopefully that the business people who are really interested to promote their products beyond Yaga, and they could take the opportunity because that would be a marketplace for them to interact with the buyers and also with the traders. So with that, the vision of BIMYAGA 2025 can be achieved where there is a seamless connectivity of flows of product from one region to another region.
Kaya naman malaki din ang paghahanda ng rehiyon na makapagpapasok ng mga investments. Isa nga sa pang-inganyo na pumasok ang maraming foreign investors ay ang Freeport at Ecozone na inihahanda sa pamumuno ng Ministry of Trade, Investments and Tourism, BARM.
Pwedeng maging economic driver sa pag-invite ng mga investors para mag-invest dito sa atin. Especially yung mga neighboring countries na malapit sa atin, kagaya ng Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. Kasi maliban doon sa common lineage ancestry, ay malapit sa atin on the issue of trading. Kung maalala mo, in the past, meron tayo yung tinatawag na barter trading. Traditional yan, na kung saan nag-exchange tayo ng goods. Although right now, nag-evolve na siya into conventional or regular trading, but the concept is still there.
Sa larangan naman ng turismo, hangad na ma-explore ng mga bansa sa East Asia ang kanilang tanyag na mga tourism sites. Kaya inaasahan sa magandang ugnayan na ito ay magkakaroon ng direct flight mula BARM patungong Sabah o ang mga kalapit na mga rehiyon sa Asya.
In terms of tourism, there is a potential that can be developed because of being a BIMYAGA city. It can develop as a twin destination, meaning the destination will connect two cities at one time, like maybe Kota Kinabalu and Davao City and Cotabato City, like that. I think in that sense, it can work. And also maybe with Palawan, but we're talking about Mindanao, so it has to be Davao City and Cotabato City. Well, my focus is only on tourism. Yeah. So in terms of trade, I'm sure the trade people have seen the potential also with goods coming in from Kota Kinabalu to here, and also from here today, vice versa. Yeah, I think with really serious discussion, I think they can really explore that.
Have you seen the potentials of the island provinces?
Well, we are only going out today.
Napaka-importante that we have to build on strengthening the relationship. Whether it's a race, it's a family relationship, or a business relationship. Napaka-importante that engaging other countries, other people's countries, napaka-importante yung bridging the trust. Because the mutual trust should be knitted, no? Very well para at whatever engagement we may found or we may facilitate in the coming years, no, you know that you are dealing with the right people. The reason we move them to the different places, no, for them also to see and look at it on their perspective, you know. They're advanced. They have done so much already in their respective places, and we wanted to learn from them so that technical informations, sharing of all these best practices, naka-importante yan sa atin. And they had recommended a lot of things that can be done, no? Other than what we look at it and how we look at it, doing things on our own. But still, they're very much, they stress in the areas of marketing the places that we have. The image, no? We're always being associated as being a conflict affected, no, ganon. So everybody was in unison, no, to really say na we have to work out on it. We really have to work out on it. We need people that could help us out.
Kaya naman sa business matching at plenary discussion, iminungkahi ng mga bisita na sana ay magkaroon ng mga batas na gagawin sa parliament na magmamatch sa mga batas ng mga katabing bansa upang hindi mahirapan ang koneksyon sa trading ng mga negosyo at maging sa turismo. Kasama si Donna Bay Labajo, ako si Ferdinand Cabrera para sa Kutang Batu News.